Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, February 8th, and this is my recap of the top of videos of the day. And the US dollar came in number one today, so we're going to do a quick recap. If you'd like to see my full top-down analysis on the euro dollar, make sure to check out the video that I did this morning, linked at the end of this video over here. So the euro did have a pretty strong push up today. So far, we have not passed the 78% Fibonacci retracement of this last push down. So I am definitely still looking at this as a possible setup to go short. I say possible because in order for me to go short, I would have to see a pretty good impulsive, bearish, engulfing move to the downside to go short. I still kind of expect there is a very good likelihood that it will go short. So I'm definitely keeping an eye on it for that move to the downside for a shorting opportunity. Now, if it doesn't respect this Fibonacci level and it actually starts closing up above that Fibonacci level, that's a pretty good indication that we are going to take out these previous highs and most likely make a bigger move to the upside. So definitely keep an eye on the 78% Fib level. That's going to be a crucial level for us to try to identify whether we do have another sorting opportunity or whether this is actually going to drift up and take out the previous highs. And we should actually continue to look for longs on shorter time frames. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.